Do you have eyes like this? Like this? Folded like this? If you do, stay tuned to see how I create looks on this very hooded eyes. Hi again, my name is V. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you find me. In today's video, it's another IG challenge, and Lauren Johnson Coleman, who is on Instagram but doesn't have a YouTube channel, challenged me to do a silver and gold eye look. It might not be a wearable outside eyeshadow look I might create, but stay tuned and let us see what I have in mind. I have something in mind. I don't know if it's going to show up, but let's see. And it's on very hooded eyes. So if you have very hooded eyes, don't be afraid to play with some makeup. The color she challenged me with is gold and silver. I'm going to use this silver from the Lip Balm and this gold from the Queendom palette by Urban Vibes. I'm going to start with the silver. I'll put the silver on my lid and see where this look takes us. But today I am so happy that you find me and you're watching my channel. I appreciate that very much. After you finish watching one video, please try to watch another. Share it with your friends and family. Hopefully the motivational word that I leave in the end and encouragement will help you along your way. So I appreciate very much. Lorraine is on Instagram. If you want to follow her, it is Lauren Johnson Coleman. We do the Queen's Challenge. She does all the different challenges. So this is what I am doing today with this makeup look. If you have your palettes, take them out, follow along, or create anything that comes to mind today. But never stop creating. And I know you will create something beautiful. I know you will. I know you will create something beautiful. I'm using the LYS Serum Foundation and it is DG7. I am creating a base for a lip color I'm going to put on. This color right here will be my lip color. Now this one. This is the look I created on very hooded eyes. You saw how hooded my eyes was, but you can create anything you want to, just make it work for you. This is the look. Lauren Johnson Coleman on IG challenged me with gold and silver to create a look for the Queen's Challenge. Be creative in anything you do. Anything that you do, be creative. Have fun with it and stay creative. This is my look for the challenge. Today's encouraging word is, in the midst of winter, I finally learned there was in me an invincible summer. Again, it says, in the midst of winter, I finally learned there was in me an invincible summer. And that's Albert Camus. These are the colors I use, gold and silver. And remember, if you are stuck in making a decision, think of all the pros, which is the good things, the positive things about that decision, and then think about all the not so good, negative things about that decision. And as you go through it, cross out the things that don't align with what it is that you're trying to make the decision for. And at the end, evaluate what you have left and then make your decision. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, is saying to go out there and live life. I love telling you that because life is short. Go live it. If there is something you want to do, take baby steps towards it and do it. If there's something you want to be, take baby steps towards it and be that. But don't stay stagnant. Little steps, baby steps at a time will take us to where we want to be. Let us do everything in moderation and stay balanced, because a balanced mind, a balanced body, a balanced soul will get us to where we want to be. I am saying bye. The Queen's Makeup IG Challenge. Silver and Gold, Lauren Johnson Coleman. Go check her out on Instagram. She has no YouTube channel.